to show you a strategy that you can make up to $2,000 a month with YouTube automation. But you have to sacrifice a few things. 2 months of your time and patience, some investments, and lastly, not being a fucking lazy person. And that's all. I'm 100% sure that if you do this exactly as I teach, within the next 2 months, you will have a monetized YouTube channel. Now, you should decide whether you are going to watch this video till the end or skip this. Because if you are not going to implement any of the things I'm about to show you, there is no point in watching this video. You can apply this strategy to a lot of niches such as mystery facts about the world, true crime stories, wisdom motivation, what if niche, and more. For this video, I'm going to select mystery facts about the world. What we are going to do is upload 4 long videos per week and 1 short video a day. Trust me, within a month, you will be able to reach your first 1,000 subscribers. So let's start this process.